Okay, now let's talk about 120 hertz on the MetaQuest 3. Because technically, the MetaQuest 3 does support 120 hertz natively. Okay, meaning that just by installing any app or game, it will technically, in theory, support 120 hertz. By the way, if you do decide to check out any game, feel free to use code TECH at checkout to get 10% off any game or app you install via the MetaQuest store, and it supports me and the channel. So keep that in mind. But back to the 120 hertz. Okay. So I made a video a while back talking about how to enable 120 hertz on your MetaQuest 3. I believe it works for some MetaQuest 2 headsets, depending on what update you're on, what version of the update you're on. But the thing is, they have updated the MetaQuest 3 quite a few times since then. So 120 hertz is no longer in experimental features, meaning that we cannot enable it on our end. It's enabled by default on our end. So it's up to the developer if they want or can get reasonably their game or app to do 120 hertz, as far as I understand. Okay. Now, I'm not saying go to your developer's door and bang down the house and try to get 120 hertz. But if it's at all possible and developers ask for feedback, maybe you can say you would like the possibility of running the game in 120 hertz. So I feel like that's a thing you could ask about if they're accepting feedback and whatnot. But yeah, that's basically the gist of it. As of right now, where we are is you can't individually enable 120 hertz for any standalone MetaQuest game or app native to the MetaQuest, meaning anything you load directly on the MetaQuest. I'm not talking about PC VR. I'm not talking about any of the fancy other stuff out there. I'm specifically talking about the MetaQuest 3. It's technically enabled by default, but like I said, if the game or the app isn't programmed to take advantage of it, it won't take advantage of it. I want to update you guys. This is a long update coming. So yeah, hopefully if any of you guys have a MetaQuest 2 or haven't updated since way back when and are still on a version that does have the option to enable it, which I don't even know if those exist anymore. But theoretically, feel free to let me know comment section below. I know some of you guys haven't been updating a bit lately because all the craziness that has been happening with the updates, but I'm sure that that's going to get sorted out. I told you guys my experience with the whole update thing, how technically I updated it, messed up a few things, and they rolled back in another update, they rolled back to a previous version of the update, and then everything worked fine for me, and then they updated, skipping that version that was updated, that they rolled back to the previous version, to the next version after that, and it had been working fine for me ever since. So, yeah. Hopefully you guys kept up with all that, and hopefully you guys are enjoying the MetaQuest 3. And with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.